Hey Jay, it's Tristan. I just thought I'd get this video to you a little bit earlier since I already had most of your information pulled up. And I don't want to waste any more of your time, so if at the end of the video you've liked what you've seen and heard, just feel free to message me back and we can chat. And if not, you can use this information that I'm giving you for your own and implement it yourself. Anyway, I want to talk to you about content citations and backlinks, and we'll get started with content. That's going to be, anything you find on your page, and you're going to want a decent amount of unique, relevant, high quality content that includes keywords and key phrases that people are going to be able to search for easily and find your business and find the services that your business provides. And the more content you have that includes keywords and key phrases, the easier it's going to be found. Uh, and we'll move on to citations here. Citations is basically your business's information and their services listed across the web. And this map pack, for example, here you'll get listed higher up in this map pack as you put your citations in directories. And a directory are just websites that allow you to put your business's information and services in it. So, for example, Facebook and Yellow Pages. And you're gonna want to be like for Divine Custom Painting, you're gonna be in whatever they are. Their directories. You want what they have and more. And we'll move on to like organic searching, which kind of goes to backlinks. So this is Ahrefs. I kind of referenced this in the call that we had. This is a tool I use, and like I said, it's not 100% accurate. And you did say that you have somebody doing your SEO work now, and I can kind of see, I feel like here, maybe around August is when you hired them, and that's when you kind of started ranking 3 months later in Google. But it still says you're only getting one person on your website, and you only have 10 keywords, and uh, these aren't really high volume keywords except painting in Evansville. They're all low KD, which is keyword difficulty. That's just how hard it is to rank. But if we go to your number one competitor, the Divine Painting people I referenced earlier, they're getting 102 people on their website every month at least. They have 77 referring domains, and the domain is just the directory, and then a backlink is just the link that it takes to your website. So if we look uh, there in the Yellow Pages, like I referenced, this is the link, and then this is where the link takes to their website. So anyway, these are just things you want to get listed in the Yellow Pages and stuff like that. These are just things that you can do yourself to boost your business's online presence and get more customers in the door and on the phone from that. Um, Obviously, not all backlinks are created equal, so not every single one of these is going to be bringing power to their website and bringing more traffic to their website. But it's still something that you need to worry about and watch for sure. But if this was informative, like I said, feel free to message me back if you want some more information. If not, I hope you have a great rest of your day and keep it real.